Beauties, welcome back to my channel. So today's video I want to show you how to use this Davis brow pencil here to achieve so many things on our face. This is beginner friendly, this is budget friendly. We don't have to break the bank for our makeup to be popping. So if you want to see how I achieve whatever that I will achieve on my face with this brow pencil, definitely do what? Keep watching. So I have already done this brow, as you can see. So I'm going to use this brow pencil to do this brow, but I'm going to speed this particular brow up because I have brow tutorial on my channel, so you can check it out. So ladies, my brows are done. So the second thing that I will do with this pencil, I'm going to use it as an eyeshadow. Yes, you can use this as an eyeshadow. So I'm going to start drawing line on my outer corner of my eyes, then towards my crease. Hope you can see what I'm doing. Like so. So I'm going to use my pencil brush. This is from BH Cosmetics. So I'm going to use it to buff the eyeliner out. Can you see? So I am blending the edges to remove harsh lines. So if you feel like you still want to add, you can. Let me add more. Then you keep blending. So after that, I'm going to add my lid color, and I'm using one of the eyeshadow from MAC. I'm using this particular color here. I've forgotten the name, but if I remember, I'm going to put it in my description box. Can you see? So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to blend the edges. I did not add any eyeshadow on my crease. It's still the brow pencil that is doing the job. So can you see? So now that my eyeshadow has been blended, applied, and all those things, so the next thing that I will use this brow pencil to do is to use it as an eyeliner. Yes, you can use brown pencil as your eyeliner because as a beginner, black eyeliner can be tricky. If you make mistake, it's going to be obvious, but brown eyeliner is forgiven. So let me show you how I'm going to use this to do what? To line my eyes. So you see that? So you can see I'm going to apply concealer under my eyes and then use it to clean the eyeliner. Then I'm blending with my beauty blender. Applying concealer also make a huge difference. As you can see the line. So ladies, my eyeliner has been applied, my concealer too. So I'm going to show you what next to do with this pencil. We are going to use it as our contour cream. So I am drawing a line here, not too much, here too. And then on my nose. Just like this. If you want, you can draw on your forehead, but I don't want it. So I'm going to use this BH Cosmetics brush and then buff it out. Do you see how the pencil is melting into my skin and giving me that natural contour? I'm blending it upward because I want to have that lifted face. So I'm going to do here too. Can you see that? Can you see? So I'm going to blend my nose. Can you see that? So I'm going to use my beauty blender to blend it more. So ladies, the next thing that we'll do with this pencil is to use it as our lip liner. So we're going to use it to line our lips and apply our lipstick. So as you can see, you can even leave it like this, but I just want to add some gloss to my lips. So I'm using my MAC Clear Gloss. Just a little bit. Beauties, this is the final look. Hope you enjoy this type of beginner budget friendly videos. I love when a product is multi-purpose. I love when a product is multitasking. Then it's going to save us time. It's going to save us money. So I really enjoy this video myself. Hope you do. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it the same way I did. Comment, like, and share, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please. And I will catch you on my next video. Stay blessed and stay safe. Bye.